So you go to Google Chrome and type Google Collaboratory or Colab. When it comes out, go to Welcome to Colab. Then you wait for some time. When the screen comes out, you go to New Notebook. Then you wait and it's going to load it. Now that it has loaded it, you need to change the name of the file from untitled to the name it should be. Remember, the name of the file should be KDU underscore data mining underscore lab1, then underscore your name. So you click inside and then you need to change it. So we have KDU underscore data mining. Please, there should be no space, underscore lab1 underscore, what's my name? Simeon Ejakwe. So you press enter and the file saves. So the first thing we need to do now is we need to import our libraries, and we're going to import 3 libraries. So we need to type, so the first one, import pandas as PD. You hit enter button. Import space numpy as np. You hit enter button. Then you type import matplotlib as matplotlib.pyplot as plt. For now, these are the 3 we are going to use. Then you press enter, and that is the 3 libraries we're going to import. Now the next thing, we're going to now write the next code, which is about creating our data that we're going to use. So to create the next block of code, just come to code and click, and then a new set of code with a new block for writing your code will come out. So here you cannot type the second code. I'll just paste it because of my time. Now that you have finished typing the code, we now need to execute the code. So to execute the code, move your mouse to the first cell where you have the arrow. Now it's an interpreter, so you have to execute line by line. You must execute the first block before the second block. If not, there will be an error. So you click the arrow here, and then the block will execute. You just have to wait. Now it says there's a syntax error. Oh, so why the syntax error? I ought to have put as, but I wrote and, so I'm going to correct it, and then I run again. Okay, it has executed successfully. Then I execute the second, and that is the result. So it has created the file and shown us the summary of the file using the data head, the describe, and to also tell us if there are missing values or not. As you can see in this work, there is only one missing value, and that is in the column for value where you have the none. The value is missing, and that is why you have one missing value. But for the other columns, there is no missing data. Okay, so that will be all for this class. So if you want to save what you've done, even though saving is automatic, but you want to save it, you just come here to the end and click save. If you want to download what you have done, maybe you want to save it in your flash and use it at home, instead of you writing fresh code, you just come here and then scroll down and go to download as .pymb. That is, you click on it and the file is going to download wherever you want it, and then you can go there to pick it up and you can save it in another system and rerun the code. So that will be all for now.